Hey guys, I heard this place have great food here, so we're going to try it out. It was preferred by Karina. Hey guys, so we just ordered Ninja beef fries. Okay, and we're gonna try it out. And we also have a Ninja beef tacos. Okay, so here's the Ninja fries right here, and the Ninja tacos. So let's try it out, guys. See how it tastes. Okay, here's the beef taco. So I'm gonna try it out here. It looked pretty saucy there. Okay, it's beef. Look pretty sweet. I'm gonna try it out right now. Alright guys, so I just take a bite of the taco. It tastes pretty good. There's a big portion of meat in there. Okay. It tastes real sweet. And the meat is real soft. So I would give the tacos a thumbs up. Alright guys, so we're gonna try the Ninja fries here. Okay. So let's try out that fries. It's really skinny fries, like a shoestrings. Yum. Tastes pretty good. Let's try the beef, guys. It tastes like a Korean barbecue meat. Alright guys, let's take a big scoop here with the nacho cheese. It looked pretty hot. You can see the steam in there, guys. Let's knock this out my mouth here. Pretty hot. So it looks like on the bottom is nacho cheese, and the top part of it is a beef. Okay. Look at that, guys. So please like, share, and subscribe. Seems like the red sauce in here is pretty spicy. You know, so it tastes good too. It's sweet and spicy, guys. Alright guys, so we're halfway finished. And I'm almost getting so full. So right now, instead of eating the fries, I'll probably just eat only the meat only.